Welcome back, my subscribers. Yep, we pulled this valve cover off because we are priming the oil pump. And as you can see, you zoom in, you see I got oil flow. Yeah. That's it right there. You can see that oil flowing. All right. Of course, it's coming out everywhere. That's what you want to see. Anyway, let me show you my little system. All right, now you can go and buy a garden sprayer and do the same thing, but I already have this pressure tank. They don't sponsor me, so I don't want to give them too much credit, but this is a damn good tank. I think it's $100. Gives you a pressure gauge, and I had to do a little bit of developing because I need it with a cutoff valve right here, and I actually have a tube hooked into a tube here, and then just a plastic PVC fitting in there, and that's your oil sender. Take it out, it's pipe threads, and you can buy a brass fitting, but I also already had a plastic one that came with a lower unit outboard oiling kit, putting gear oil in the outboard. So y'all do know that's what I do to help people out, is I service their outboards and work on them and fix them. And so I have a little kit for doing the hydraulic steering on the outboard. All right, well, we got it flowing, and that's all you need to do is once it's flowing, you know the oil pump is primed. And if y'all can see the oil, maybe the light's too bright or I'm too shadowed, I don't know, but anyway, yep, you just pump pressure in there. You can take a garden sprayer and do the same thing with it and get pressure. Takes about 2 quarts of oil, and as it's running out of the 2 quarts, it'll be already flowing, getting things wet. All right, subscribers, tell your friends to subscribe. I'm doing all this stuff out of my own pocket, and of course it's on for my own, and then when I finish these projects, I usually sell them. I usually get about what I got in them. And anyway, don't forget, like and subscribe. I have some heads for sale, harmonic balancer. I have timing chains if you need them in gears. I have a factory perfect shape K-frame, nothing wrong with it. I got a set of heads over here. Everybody says these are the heads if you're going to run a turbo that you want. Came off of a Cobra. Anyway, I have an iron block if you want it just for decoration. Got a big chunk taken out on one side. You see it right there? Yeah. I got a 6-bolt steel crank. I got some valve covers. All this is for sale, so let me know what you want. Also over there, I have a good Mach 1 head that's left over. And I have a good Mach 1 block. It only in the wreck broke the AC unit off of it. And I tried to repair that, but if you're building race motors, you don't need no AC anyway, but that's a good block with no upper ridge at all. Good block. All right, don't forget, like and subscribe. Mad Brad's Customs, we are out. Get your finger out of your nose. Hit the subscribe button.